Hi, this is Sugandh Bansal, and this is task 3 from a Spark Foundation internship. And this is the project about exploratory data analysis for retail, where we got the data set that is SampleSuperstore, and we need to figure out the weak area where we need to work more to make more profit. And also, we need to explore the data where we are doing good and where we are not. So for that, here I have installed few libraries like geocoder, geopy, folium, and plot9 for plotting map, for generating map to see the areas with the profit where we are making and how much. Here we have called all the libraries that is needed to plot the data, to analyze the data, and also to do the statistical analysis about the data. So, because I'm doing this on Colab, I have downloaded the data set sample super store in my Google Drive. That's why I have called here Google Drive. I have mounted that here. The file is in CSV. So, here I have read the file, and here I'm uh, getting it first 5 rows of the data set. After first 5 rows, I'm calling the last 5 rows of data sets show. And here you can see that the country is one, that is United States. So we don't need that column. And so that's why I'm dropping it here. Now I want to see the summary statistics and that we do through describe, where it shows 8 statistical properties of each attribute. So that is count, like there are 9,994 rows. Its mean, standard, minimum, 25 percentile, 50, 75, and max. Here we are looking at the data types, if these are correct in the data set or need to be changed. But as we can see, the data type of the data set is correct. Now with the shape, we are checking how many rows and columns we have in the data set. Here we are checking how many duplicates we have. So what we have found out here is 17 duplicate rows we have. So we are dropping all that is duplicate items in the data set. After that, what we got in the shape is 9,977 rows and 12 columns. Now we are checking how many unique items is there. So as we can see in the ship mode, there are 4 types of shipping modes are here we are using. 3 segments. So there are customers that is segmented in 3 types. Cities, it's 531 cities in 49 states and 4 regions. So the product is categorized in 3 categories, and from that categories it is subcategorized in total is 17 number. Then there comes sales, quantity, discount, and profit. Here we are checking the correlation between all the pairs of attributes. So generally correlation happens with the numerical data. So if data is -1 or 1, so that shows that the correlation between among the data is positive. But when it comes to 0, so that means there is no correlation. So as we can see here, profit and sales has a good correlation together. But if we look at the heat map here also, you can see it clearly that the middle line is 11111. So sales and profit are positively correlated with each other. But discount and profit, because it's 0 and it has no correlation to each other, as I have described earlier. In So here I'm plotting um the shipping mode and the segment, subcategory, and also the categories. So you can see here supplies has more sales than furniture and technology. Standard class shipping mode is more popular than any other, and consumers are buying more products than the corporate segment or home office. And if we look at the subcategory, so here are binders, papers, um, furnishings, uh, storage, phones, accessories. These are more popular in demand than any other product. So here we are checking the shipping mode, and we are comparing with sales and profit. So we can see standard class in both shipping mode and in sales and profit. Shipping mode is more popular, but if you check the sales item, so profit is more in a standard class than sales. In category, we are also checking same in with category. So in there you can see technology sales are more, but not much difference. But if you look at the profit, technology and office supplies are giving more profit than furniture category. If we do the segment between our customers, like consumer customers, corporate, and home office customers, so consumer customers are giving more profit and sale, but corporate segment also has more profit than sales. So but home office supplies or consumers from home office, they are not buying more products. So same here we are checking top 10 states and bottom 10 states that showing profit or like profit and loss. So we can see here California, New York, Washington, Michigan, Virginia, Indiana, Georgia, Connecticut, Kentucky, Minnesota, and Delaware are more towards the sale and profit side than these are the top 10 countries that's making more profit, and our weak area is Texas, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Illinois, North Carolina, Colorado, Tennessee, Arizona, Florida, and Oregon. These are the weak states where the sales is not much. So we need to focus on these areas where sales is not happening that much, or profit, we are not making profit, and we need to find out why is it happening that, and why the people are not buying product and giving profit in these areas, in these states. In the profit and loss chart we can see clearly that binders has faced the highest amount of loss as well as profit among other subcategories because of the discount, because you can see that binders has got more discount than any other, so the sales is also high. But if you check about the profit rate, it's not that high in binders. We can see here also subcategories divided by categories, like in furniture, furnishings are more in demand. In office supplies, binders, papers are more in demand. And in technology, phone accessories are more in demand than machines and copiers. So these products which we are not getting more profit in, so we should promote those products more which are more in demand and we have sales, and we should put on discount, or we should give a promotion on those products where we are not getting more profit or sale in that. So these are the weak products, actually we can say that. Now here I have calculated longitude and latitude, and then created a data frame with longitude and latitude. And here you can see all the states. And if you click on those pop-ups, so you can see in Maine state there is 454.49, that is the profit it make. And in Oregon it was in minus. In Kansas, it was 836.44. In Georgia, it was 16,250.04. So it's an interactive map where you click on the state and you will get the data inside it. So that's it with the analysis. And in the end, I did um, a plot where I'm showing the sales, quantity, discount, and profit you can see. And in the end, I use pair plot where you can see that south and central are the weakest areas where we are making profit, though east and west we are getting the highest profit expectancies we can see. So this is the data analysis which I did. If I go now on another screen, so this is the dashboard in a public tableau where you can see the profit, sales, and discount with category and subcategory. Here you can see profit via sales with the same category and subcategory. Here is the map with all the profit, and here is the map with all the sales. Here you can see the ship mode with the category, like which category is used for which shipping. So we can see here standard class shipping is more popular, or among them it's most popular and most in demand than any other. So thank you for giving me this chance to show and demonstrate my work, what I have done. If you like it, please leave a comment beneath. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.